Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Previously, we've learned how to add a collapsible text. Today, we are going to learn how to customize your collapsible text element. Let's get started. Click on your collapsible text element to select it. On the action bar above, go to All Design Options. A small window will appear, and from here, you can switch through this drop-down. You can switch from your collapsible text itself to its text, button, and the button's text. You can work on these one by one, starting with the collapsible text. So for your collapsible text, you can adjust its spacing as well as its layout. Moving on, once you're done working on your collapsible text, you can move on to the next item. So you can customize it however you want to. So for the text, you can customize or format the text or its layout. So here you can change it to a different color. Say, for example, you can set its style, alignment, and so much more. Then we're going to move on to the button. So for the button, you can change its fill color to something that would match your brand's color. You can adjust its borders, corners, apply a shadow to it, adjust its spacing and layout. And then once you're done with that, you can work on the button text as well, where you can select your preferred typography or font and change its color as well. Once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved, so you can close this window. So basically, that's it. Just feel free to customize your collapsible text element according to your needs and preferences. That's all for today, guys. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.